In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Discord on all devices. This is a great way to secure your account if you've used Discord on a shared computer, if you've lost a device, or if you notice any logins you don't recognize. We'll walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Discord and heading to your user settings. On desktop, look to the bottom left and click the little gear icon next to your username. That opens the settings panel where all your account controls live. Take a moment here if you need to, because everything we need will be inside this menu. Next, find the section labeled Devices. Click it to open a page that lists where your account is currently signed in. You'll see entries for your computers, phones, or your browsers, along with details like when each session was last active. This view is helpful for double-checking that everything looks familiar. If something seems off, this is your chance to shut it down fast. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Devices page and select Log Out All Known Devices. This is the command that signs your account out everywhere it's been recognized. It's designed to instantly revoke access from any device that might still be logged in, whether that's an old laptop, a friend's console, or a browser session you forgot to close. It's a clean sweep for peace of mind. When you click that option, Discord will ask you to enter your password to confirm. Type your account password carefully, then confirm the action. Depending on your security settings, you might also be prompted for a verification code. That's normal and helps ensure only you can make this change. Once confirmed, Discord will process the request and remove your sessions across your listed devices. That's it. After this, any device that was signed in will be logged out, and you'll be in full control again. Keep in mind, you may need to sign back in on your trusted devices the next time you use them, so be sure you know your login details before you start. If you noticed any unfamiliar devices in the list, it's a good idea to update your password and review your security settings for extra protection. To recap in one smooth flow, open User Settings, go to Devices, choose Log Out All Known Devices, enter your password, and confirm. With that, your Discord account is secured across the board.